we are at 278 Mobley. You walk in, and there's this large extra living room great room with bay windows. Very spacious pantry. Everything in this house just exudes an extra square footage, in my opinion. And then you have the modern open floor plan, or apparently a 1979 twist of it, where you have your dining room here, your open kitchen overlooking your living room, granite countertops, wooden cabinets, and there's imperfections in these cabinets, but you've still got your pull-out drawers for your trash, and this dishwasher isn't perfect, but it's double oven, butcher block island, nice sitting room with double doors, and a second access just around the corner to this private patio space. And still a few garden beds. Now those probably are owner built and wouldn't be maintained by the HOA, but on this level you also have a half bath. It's very large, could become a full bath if you ever needed it to, as well as a very large laundry room. So if ever was needed to make an extra bedroom down here, I see a lot of opportunity for that. Look at the size of this pantry. Maybe not a traditionally styled one, but you do have a lot of room here and room for a full bathroom there. Well, with 2 living rooms. Again, even if temporary. Carpet needs replacing, and obviously there's a former photo wall here. And then there's 3 whole bedrooms upstairs, plus an office or a second living room.
I don't think 10 is that crazy. So
Yeah.
Wide hallways. Again, everything just exuding square footage. This could be walled off for an easy value add for a 4th bedroom if needed, or huge office. And another closet, another bedroom. And then your plant window seats, and top down, bottom up blinds, so nice blinds. These doors don't close perfectly. There's something going on there that needs to be adjusted. And let's go to the primary.
Yeah, that's
It's nothing like smooth or
So the primary has a balcony.
I think that looks fine.
Again, blinds.
Yeah, I mean, it's a little
Cute little balcony and sitting area. And then a huge closet and a large bath area.
Yeah, and that I could do anytime.
right.
So,
But if you were going to retile the floors, you may want to do that now.
yeah. I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. I mean,
I'm
would,
getting you a video.
okay, thanks. Would I retile? Or would I put something other than tile?
There you
Like
have
what?
it.
I would tile.
You would tile?
I feel like tile is pretty common in bathrooms.
Okay. Cold
There it
would be
is.
our feet.
Well, they have those mats. I don't think